Hey traders, our top 12 trading signals are officially live. Each signal comes with clear entry points, stop loss levels, and target prices, so you can trade with more confidence and manage your risk the smart way. Want to test it out? Try our tester plan for just $10 a month and see the results for yourself. You can upgrade anytime if you're happy with what you see. Check the link in the description or comments below. Join our growing community. Let's learn, trade, and grow together. And remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.